Now in this series we deep dive into minute details, and today we're going to talk about the important thing for some of you, the money. How to make money on YouTube as part of the How to Become a YouTuber series. Here we go! Hello and welcome back to another video. I'm Alan Spicer, and if you're looking to start a YouTube channel, grow your YouTube channel, or push your brand out there onto the second largest search engine on the internet, you should click subscribe and start creating. Now, making money on YouTube is much easier and much broader than you may have realized. Yes, there is the YouTube partnership program, but there are so many other methods. I'm going to drill down into each and every opportunity. Maybe you can add this to your arsenal moving forward. Number one, yes, the tried, the tested, and the most recognized way of making money on YouTube is the YouTube partnership program, or the ads that you might see on this video or other YouTube videos. For you to become a YouTube partner, you need to have 1,000 subscribers and then 4,000 hours worth of watch time within a 12-month period. This is the new standard as of the start of 2018. The reason for this is that way small YouTubers that used to just upload random copied stuff or random viral sensations can't just pop up and throw stuff around. This really helps with copyright infringers or bad actors when it comes to extreme content. In other words, you have to have been on YouTube long enough for them to understand that you clearly make content for the betterment of the society that you happen to be in, of the YouTube community. You're being helpful, you're being entertaining, and 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time will help them be able to evaluate your channel and review you for who you are at that point. You will then make a small amount of money per 1,000 views. So for example, for every 1,000 views of this video, if all of them were advertised against, which is highly unlikely, then I would get anywhere between $2 and $5 per 1,000 view. In some cases it's more if you're educational, some cases it's less if you're just entertainment, but overall it all adds up, and at the end of the month you might get a small paycheck. 2, affiliate links. Now, these are the things that are in my description down below. They can be from any company that you could possibly think of and sell you a product that you might need or a service. Some affiliate links that I suggest are the things down below, like TubeBuddy or Amazon, that kind of thing. So you can go off and buy a new camera or the lighting setup that I may have, or the webcam or the microphone. That affiliate link then knocks back a little bit of money to me when you buy it. It's safe for you. You don't get charged any more than normal, and I get a little thank you from Amazon or Bluehost or Wix or TubeBuddy or whoever that you've clicked on down below. In the long run, that's an additional form of income, and it kind of adds up from month to month to year. I've known some people to make thousands of pounds per month, or a few pounds. It depends on how hard you push them or how good your affiliate association is with that company. 3, t-shirts and merch. Now, you can go out of your way to make money online even without YouTube ads, and that is simply by hooking yourself up with things like Teespring or SUPERCHAT. So once again, in my case, there's a link in the description down below to alanspicer.com/shop. On there you can buy t-shirts, mugs, hoodies, aprons, phone cases. All of these are very easily created. I've generated my own design, I've uploaded them to SUPERCHAT, and they've created these products for me, and then when you buy them, they are print on demand. Or you can make your own t-shirts, print your own t-shirts, find somewhere to store them, and then sell them on your own website, and then post them out to people should you want to get a larger slice of the sale. Because SUPERCHAT and Teespring, for example, they'll charge $14 for a t-shirt, but the creator may only get $2 or $3. But once again, every small little fee all adds up. I'm sure you'd much rather have $10, $20, $30 than nothing. 4, instead of selling t-shirts, maybe sell services. This is where you can make some really, really good money. I personally don't have tens of thousands of subscribers on my YouTube channel, but people do approach me and they like to buy websites, or they want to get their channel reviewed, or they want a deep dive, or they want a one-on-one consultation on their branding or their social media. You can do the same. Think of a service that you are willing to sell, whether it's digitally or something that you could post to them, and create a service around that that you can then sell in the description. This could be a book, this could be a training course, this could be a collection of videos that are private just for them. At the end of the day, if you're thinking of something and a service you can sell it over and over again at the same price and continue to make money off of it. In my case, this could just be website design templates, thumbnail templates, branding, transitions for Adobe Premiere, anything like that. I'm sure you can think of very similar things for your own niche. 5. Another way to make money on YouTube is SUPERCHAT. Now, live streams are wonderful things these days. You can interact directly with your subscribers. They're watching you as you talk, and they can chat and they can ask you questions. SUPERCHAT is a way for them to donate, to offer you some kind of pennies. Here you go, have a coffee, here's a couple of dollars. Or if you're in a live stream, why not make it some kind of service? If they drop you $20, you'll do a channel review. If they drop you $20, you'll do a dare for them. SUPERCHAT is a great way to engage your most engaged and loyal subscribers into some form of fundraising. Obviously, the more live streams you do, the more chances that you might get SUPERCHAT, and the more SUPERCHATs you get, the more money you make in general. 6. Now, SUPERCHATs, yes, are locked behind the fact that you need to have a partnership program, so you need to already be monetized on the channel. But you can accept donations via Streamlabs in exactly the same fashion. If you have a Streamlabs account, which is completely free, you log in, you integrate it, you add like a donation link in your own description, and then on the live stream you refer them to the donation link. You hook it all up and you can have the thank you notifications on the live stream if you're using OBS or OBS Streamlabs, or overall the donation links then in your description, and you can do it that way. PayPal has donation links as well. And finally, number 7. Sponsorships. Now, these can be anything. These can be you talking to a brand and then giving you a freebie and you showing the freebie. Or if you're really, really, really clever, you can go out and communicate with the brands that you like. Have a look at your brand, have a look at your niche. Will that product help you? Go and talk to them. So maybe, for example, for me, I'm a YouTube educator. Maybe I'd go and talk to LOGITECH about their new webcam, and I go, hi, I'd really like to review your webcam. I think it would really help. I've got 2,000-3,000 subscribers, I have 200,000 views, blah, 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 facts, figures, numbers, done. They might then send you a free product for you to mention, and you've created a video and you've got a free product. Or if they really, really like your stuff, they may even pay you. It's always best to think specific and niche when it comes to sponsorships, and if you reach out and you tell them how it will help them, then they're more likely to buy into you. You then entertain them, you deliver exactly what you promise, they'll be happy with you and they'll stick around. Now, this video was part of the How to Be a YouTuber series. For the next video, click that link there or the playlist here. Or of course, you can subscribe for regular YouTube tricks and tips videos. Hit the notification icon so you're alerted every time I go live. Go out there, start creating.